so, mi, fa, so, do, mi, fa, so, la, so, mi, re, so. Infinite sound, immortality in space. I wanted to be music reduced to bare sound when it finally goes down. Animal, person, woman, man, camera, TV. Things reduced to ashes, indistinguishable. Inferno, inextinguishable, blazing melancholic hymns, bewildered at humanity's self-extinction proclivity. Sound defying gravity, carrying across the universe in dark and bright, outer and near spaces alike, won't matter to humanity, extinctified anyhow. Billions of light years ahead, done innumerable transgalactic wanderings, human spirit assumed space travel refined beyond God's powers incomprehensible. Humanity reborn shall find me unchanged, sound infinite. Humanity reform incapable, inherently ever too dumb to learn from past mistakes, in denial of history, deprecating that history makes not itself. Reality is that humanity makes history through deeds in time and space. No humanity, no history. Humanity shall again abuse me, pure sound. Make languages out of me, speak lies to one another, affront one another, oppress one another, make horrid music, sing songs of hate against music of love, which stops time, for love prolongs life. Yet humanity chooses mortal war games by default. Murder prolongs animosities, perpetual death machines feeder, sustains valleys of death, plants human bones in killing fields of the world. Green revolution turned into red barren earth. Sounds of love blooming, voices of hate losing ground, desperate voices of hate detonate weapons of mass destruction. Earth quakes, Mother Earth disemboweled, expectant mothers miscarry, wombs shrivel, womanhood debased. Love songs turn to wailings of despair. People perishing, bleed from their ears, brains damaged, hear only sounds of carnage as they die with the mushroom big boom. Or hoping time won't cease whilst in vain grabbing death by the devil's horns. Men's mind is bigger than yours, gone with atomic bomb debris. Somebody enlighten me, please. Where are the hot-nutted, most powerful men on planet Earth now? When we finally go down, when nuts are nuts between a king's legs and those of slumdog millionaire? Silicon Valley billionaire balls, no exception. SpaceX, space dust that extraterrestrialized to infinity, the unknowable X, Virgin Galactic, dismembered testosterone, vanquished artificial intelligence, call it AI, impotent as God, when it really matters. We are ruled by dimwits, for God's sake. I endure. Morph into the last love song I hear before the Armageddon of my time. Hear me out. I'm sound for life, sound for love, sound for peace. Somebody sang of the voice of reason. Let us sing for eternity in the name of love for humanity. About time we gave God peace. In the end, we are on our own. Timeless sound advice, wrapped in song, gifted in sound of music. So la, so mi la, so mi re, so, re, mi fa so, mi fa so la, do la, so la fa, mi fa re, do la, so la fa, mi fa re, do.